All right, good evening. Magandang gabi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind. Pasensya na kahapon, medyo mahina yung internet natin, so hindi tayo nakapag-live na maayos. But I guess this evening, I just speed tested earlier and we're good to go for this evening. Magandang gabi po. Welcome to another episode of The Daily Grind kung saan we talk about making money, right? We talk about mainly trading, stock market. Alam ko marami tayong paraan kung saan pwede tayong kumita. If ever an opportunity rises up na maganda, we talk about here in in the Daily Grind. Pero usually we talk about stock market trading. Hindi lang stock market. I'm more focused into forex trading right now, automated forex trading. In fact, we have our own bot and it's been doing very well for the past year plus na, di ba? So hopefully you've already started in it. Hindi lang yan, meron pong international stocks, even commodities. I've traded it. We'll talk about it if ever my opportunity, di ba? So this is the best program for the newbies out there. If you're a newbie when it comes to trading, investing, this is the program for you. Para po ito sa mga newbies. So we want to reach more newbies. So hopefully you help us in our goal to reach all the newbies in the stock market, right? Statistics say that 70% of the newbies fail and quit in the stock market. And biggest reason for that is nasusunog yung unang entries nila or unang try nila sa stock market, natatalo ka agad and then they say, this is not easy, I'm gonna be quitting. The reason for that is hindi nagabayan. And that's the reason why we have the Daily Grind. We have our pages here and there para gabayan po ang mga newbies na yun. But we won't be able to do that if not for your help in sharing this video. So please share this video. Paki-share po itong video na ito. That will help us a lot in our goal to help more newbies, especially sa mga trading groups niyo if you have trading groups out there. Let's get rich together nga, diba? So let's share them the good news. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm seeing 5 shares right now. When this refreshes, we should be seeing more shares from you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Right, so update tayo. Stock market. PSEi is retesting. Right, I'm seeing 5 shares pa rin. Anyways, PSEi is retesting resistances. Right, let's just open our chart really quick. There we go. No, not that one. Open the chart. There. Oop. Let me just... there we go. Yan. So, PSEi. Right. Another green day for PSEi, up 1.06%. That's 77.93 points for today. Net foreign buying, though, is just 191 million. It's not really that high compared to yung mga bullish natin ng mga days na umaabot pa nga ng 1 billion yung net foreign buying. Why do I look at net foreign buying and selling every day? Because our market is greatly affected by foreign investors. Sumasabay tayo sa international markets. If foreign investors pull out their money, mas maraming nagbebenta kaysa pumapasok na pera, the market usually drops. Ngayon, net foreign buying tayo, and that's good, and the market is rising up. But we are at resistances. Last major resistance ng market was right here, 7,470. Noong February 2, we did a breakout, but the end of the trading day, it did not continue on the breakout. But the good news is, we are sitting near the resistances, ladies and gentlemen. So, nasa resistance pa rin tayo. We haven't really held on to that breakout just yet. It's understandable the market's not healthy. And with everything that's happening right now, in the country right now, right? The COVID scare, that was a very big factor on the last drop ng market natin. It's still there right now, pero hindi na gaanong kalaki yung scare natin thanks to the vaccine, di ba? And ano pa ba? Election is coming, right? Election kasi there is usually uncertainty if there will be continuity on the projects, on the governance, if nagustuhan ng mga investors ang governance, kung magpapatuloy ba or hindi. So that's a big question mark. So there's uncertainty when it comes to elections. So with that, I am not bullish of the market as of the moment. Hopefully after na election, umarangkada na tayo. Hopefully next year makisabay rin. This year makisabay rin si COVID na bumaba rin. That should really help the market, diba? So, but still in the end, overall, we are on a very good position. Let me share my screen again. Compared to our previous position na nasa 6 umabot pa nga ng 6,000 yung market natin, this is a very healthy position already, right? This is the highest it has been since the drop, since March of 2020 when COVID started, diba? So this is already very good. And we're testing that resistances again. Let me just load my chart layout. Tignan nga natin yung RSI sa resistance na ito. Alright, PSEi, there we go. Resistance from here and here, yeah, it's a much more bearish resistance this time, right? So that's a bearish divergence right there kung saan sideways ang resistance natin, pero RSI is getting lower, right? If mapapansin ninyo, mas makapal ang volume dito compared to this volume on our climb of the resistance, and that's the buying weakening. So I'm not very keen and fond. I don't think it's gonna break out really. Hopefully I'm wrong, right? Technical analysis lang naman to, diba? So, but if ever umakyat, then good, because I am an investor in the PSEi. If this goes up, then my position should go up in my long-term investments sa PSEi, right? Strategy natin dito sa market, we have to cover that for you guys. What's a good strategy for the market right now? We aren't resistance levels, so be careful sa mga assets na, especially the index assets, and even assets na karaniwan lang, na nasa tuktok, nasa resistances. You don't really want to go into them that much, especially yung mga nagliliparan na. Mas maganda is yung mga nasa supports. Let's say for example, si DD nung nasa support ito, this was the very good entry when we were entering resistances levels, and there it is, umakyat siya, di ba? Even other, congratulations sa mga Detonians right there. We we dubbed dito a buy already, and we are already up 6.97 ulit, and we're going to be retesting resistances for dito. Congratulations sa mga nagbodega dito. RSI is telling us na okay naman yung support ni dito. So this support is the best entry as of the moment if ever naghahanap kay dito. DD still going up. Congratulations. We're gonna be checking more about this later on, pero bunta muna tayo sa mga comments really quick. Again, please share this video. Please share po ito, video na ito. Thank you so much sa mga nag-share dyan. Let me go on my face. Sir, good evening. This is from Jepe Janda. Yan, good evening, boss Amo, manager. All right. Good evening, Jojo. Good evening, sir. Watching from Singapore and already shared your live stream. Thank you so much, Jojo. We're seeing 7 shares now. Thank you so much. Nano Joseph, good evening, sir. Welcome back and very nice signal. Very clear audio. O nga kahapon ang pangit na signal natin. But tonight, maganda. Sortihan lang ang signal sa current location ko ngayon. Until now, sa main house namin, wala pa rin internet. Andun yung pinakamalakas ko internet. So, sad. Nano, Joseph, kamusta man? Hopefully, you're already in Izanagi, Nano. I don't think I saw you in Izanagi community yet. Hopefully, nag-join ka na sa Izanagi. Right? I'll write this down for charting IDC, MM, and PHEi. Let me just open Notepad really quick. Dadaan na natin to. Nano, Cesar, Villaruel, Sir DMC, LTG, PHA, DNL. Thanks, sir. You're welcome. All right, let's check these out in a bit. Just writing it down. Uy nga pala, sa mga Axie investors dyan, congratulations. Let me just share my screen. Chart this down. So, SLP right now is up 1.04 pesos. That's 43.5% up for today. 1.04. Just went up again. Sorry. 1.04. So, congratulations sa mga naghawak na SLP. 2 days ago, nagbenda ako ng SLP at 0.55, which is ang malas. Dapat hinold ko na lang. Umakyat pa to 1.04. Anyways, every day nagge-generate naman tayo ng SLP. So, congratulations sa mga nag-hold sa mga SLPs nila. Congrats. Alright, let me just move forward. Update lang tayo sa mga markets anyways. Good evening sa mga nanonood sa atin through, what do you call this? Through YouTube. Ayan. Magandang gabi. If ever you want, you need you have any charting requests, plus just post it on the comments. Again, thank you so much for mga shares ninyo. DMC, tapos na to. Dadaanan natin to. Good evening. Si Didi, take profits na yan. Pag pumula na yan, Janer, yung Didi mo, congratulations, man. Pero pag pumula na yan, sell some of it already. DNL. Did I write this already? Yeah, nasulat ka na Farm Cesar. Alright, good evening, Janer. Hanzo Sanchez, Sir Lloyd, anytime pwede ba mag-cash out kay Izanagi? Yes, kay Izanagi, you have full control of your accounts. I strongly recommend pag nag-ROI na kayo kay Izanagi. I mean, whenever you profit, you take your profits hanggang sa mag-ROI kayo para yung i-risk ninyo doon is pera na nabalik na sa inyo. Hindi walang mawawala sa inyo, di ba? That's a good approach kay Izanagi. But if you want, if gusto nyo po na umikot lang ang pera, just leave your funds kay Izanagi. But yeah, you can always withdraw anytime. Jeter Mongaya, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Speaking of Izanagi, right? Izanagi, mustahin natin. Right? Izanagi is already up 304.46% from the start of this account, right? And that 304% is just 1 year and 1 month. No. Yeah, almost 1 year, 1 month pa lang yan, 304% na. So, technically, if ever may 100K ka dito, nag-gain ka na ng 300,000. Congratulations sa mga may Izanagi dyan. And everything that you're seeing right now, itong gains na ito, this is the beauty of Izanagi. This is automated. Meaning, wala po akong ginawang trade dito. It is our bot that is trading this. Statistics-wise, this account right here is from my FX book. This is verified track records. So meaning, lahat po ng nakikita niyo dyan is totoo. Hindi po dinoktor yan. Statistics natin, long positions won, 67% out of 1,000 trades. 69% sa short naman out of 1,000 trades din. So, sobrang ganda ng performance ni Izanagi. Let's check out the performance of Izanagi for this month. For registered members only. Alright, so kailangan pa mag-sign in para ma 1 month natin. But yeah, it's at around 5% for January, first month na performance niya. If this is not enough for you, Shadow Technique has already launched. Nag-launching na po kami ng Shadow Technique. Shadow Technique is manual trade po ito, hindi po itong bot trading. But sinakyan po namin ang successful trades ni Izanagi. Izanagi is parang yun yung best na kaya namin automated settings ni Izanagi. Now, meron pa pong ikaganda ang trades ni Izanagi since bot lang ang nagtatrade nun. Right? So what we did is we cherry-picked the best trades of Izanagi and then we send it to our community na member na ng Shadow Technique. Right? Let's say for example, guys, Shadow Technique, meron na tayong nakita na magandang opening kay Izanagi, which is for let's say for example, EuroCAD, diba? Euro to Canadian dollars. So open it and then si Izanagi na bahala dyan. So this is the performance. This is our main account for Izanagi. This started for Shadow Technique, December 7. Fast forward January, 267% in 1 month. 267%, isang buwan. Drawdown, 6.77. Draw up pa nga yan eh. Means, mas mataas pa yung positions niya before namin na-close na bumaba. So mas maganda pa yung performance niya. And this is crazy right here. Statistics. Long positions, there are already 48 trades in this account. 27 sa long position, short position 21. 100% win rate. It's too good to be true. But it is what it is. Andyan po yung mga viewers natin na nanonood sa atin ngayon. They can testify to that. Jenner, magkano na yung nakuha mo sa shadow technique mo, sa shadow strategy mo kay sa shadow technique mo? Post it in the comments, share to everyone. If you wanna check out testimonials from the people, I'll post it in the comments. Tignan niyo po ito. Sir Pump si SLP pero continue pa down ni Tetan, may relationship kaya? Iba naman kasi si SLP, what do you call this? Si SLP, si Axie Infinity, meron silang ginawa na ikakat nila yung supply. So that was very good for the market and SLP went up because of that. Right? So yeah, Junior Kino, ito yung nasa link description, nasa comments, check it out. Yan yung link, yan yung testimonials ng mga users natin. Junior Kino, 49% profits in 4 months. That's crazy numbers right there. Marami pa dito, being user for 5 months, already gained $1,716 for Raymart Rogero. So many more comments right here. $40 gains in less than 2 months. Started October 2021, 41% gains from Kim Galvez. Congratulations. 9% kagad kay JC Simbulan. Started December 21, 2021 lang. So that's Izanagi for you guys. And then, andyan sa video description, more if you want to learn more about Izanagi. Even the registration is there. So hopefully you join the community. Test it out. We already tested it for you. So much rigorous testing was done for this. Di ba? Hindi pa namin to release sa public noon. Sabi ko sa inyo, may tinatest kami na bot and it took us quite a while before we were able to give it to everyone. We didn't want it half-baked. We wanted to be sure kasi nakasalalay pangalan namin dito. And the bot is for free. Ladies and gentlemen, libre lang po sa Izanagi. So, I don't know what else I can tell you. I can ask you to convince you to join Izanagi. Except kung sabihin nyo lang sa akin na wala kayong capital. Check Izanagi out, ladies and gentlemen. Jojo Ambas, kakastart ko pa lang Lloyd Bazaar kay Izanagi pero may gains na kaagad. Congratulations, Jojo Ambas. Jeter, thoughts on Peg Axie, Sir Lloyd? It's good right now. Very hype pero nasa tuktok siya. Right? Let it drop and then that's where you try Peg Axie. I don't like the game. sobrang boring. Nagre-race lang. Sir, sabi ni Jenner Diano, next onboard na ako papasok. Sir, hindi ako naka-attend sa last Saturday kasi sayang. That's okay, man, kasi kasal mo kasi noon. So, enjoy your wedding lang muna. Wag puro pera. Yaman mo na, Jenner. Sir, Please let me know how to open Izanagi. Got confused with the system, micro and number 2. All right, Nano Joseph, just select micro. Right, standard account, what type of accounts? Just go for micro account right away. Standard accounts kasi if that's for big accounts, like 300,000 pesos above. So if ever you're planning to start with a lower account, so just go ahead and go for select micro. Right? Hanzo Sanchez for Solid Lloyd, grabe, papasok ako kay Izanagi. Yes man, test it out. Sir Lloyd, ano pong pair ang tinatrade ng Izanagi? There are 4 pairs. The biggest, yung pinakamalaking pairs po ang tinitrade ni Izanagi sa Forex. Right, so let me just, kailangan ba may FX account? From Jason Yabaw. Yes, kasi doon iti-trade. Right, before you create an FX account, bunta kayo sa registration link. Meron dyan instructions what type of FX XM account ang i-re-register nyo. So go to the registration link, andun po yung instructions. Jenner Dianio, Izanagi 6% for this month lang, pero 60% for shadow. Sir, grabe 60%. And Jenner, man, I know you just got married and you're doing this for your family. Congratulations, man. I'm so happy. It's always very rewarding to see our viewers na ganito. How much minimum kay Izanagi? Start with 25,000. That should be a very good start already. $500 actually. Right, so start with $500 kay Izanagi. I recommend starting with $1,000 para sulit. Pero if you're still shaky, start with 25K. That should be a very good start already. Anyways, let's go to the charting na. Meron tayong mga charting requests. Ladies and gentlemen, tingnan nga natin sa YouTube. Wala namang comment pa sa YouTube. Alright, hopefully everyone is okay sa YouTube. Nanood. I'm not sure if my comments about or is it my studio that's not loading the chat. So let me just refresh my live stream sa ano. Ayun, may comments naman pala. Kevin Hawthorne, good morning from Lakeland, Florida. Good evening to you. Kevin, Dice, hi Lloyd, good evening. Pacheck ako ng LTG EW. Alright, these down. Magcha-charting tayo pagkatapos ng daldal ko. Alright, guys, hanap kayo ng position kay or may bulong. Pero I'm not sure. Pero the bulong is meron silang dalawang mining na mag-o-open. Right? So, that's gonna be big. Where kaya maganda maging aggressive? Is it long-term stock for me? This is long-term stock for me. I'm not recommending LTG and EW for long-term. Not my kind of assets. Si BDO nung long-term, whenever BDO drops, I told you guys, ever since, binibili ko si BDO pag bumabagsak. Si dito, every time it drops, yun, ang nag-long-term ako kay BDO. So, JFC, BDO, SMPH, pwede kayo kay Ali. Yes, maganda rin si Ali. Dito, yun yung long-terms ko ngayon. Ems Pablo, good evening, Sir Lloyd. DMC, SMPH. Alright, these down. Dadaanan natin to. DMC, SMPH. Dice, Sir Lloyd, Izanagi, iniipon ko kasi yung mga profits, then pinapa-increase ko yung lot size based on recommended. Okay lang po ba yun? Yes po, right? That's good, right? You don't have to really force investing in Izanagi. So yung mga kinikita ninyo, which is what majority of you are doing right now, yung ginagawa nila is kumikita Izanagi. Let's say for example, yung public account na pinakita ko sa inyo when I started when we started marketing Izanagi, sabi ko sa inyo gagawa ako ng public account and I'll share it to you guys. It's already up $200 plus dollars, so almost na ako mag $250 increase sa account na yon. So that's additional another $250 more pang capital. So ganun lang ang automatic kasi nagko-compound si Izanagi rin. Right, okay lang yon. 3.57% gains for Izanagi, less than 2 months, sir. Thank you. Right? 3.57 lang, that means na mas mababa yung risk mo. Pero it's up to you, Ems. Pwede mo taasan yan. Level 2, ano po advantage ng Forex over crypto and day trading basis po? Thank you po sa pagsagot. Anong advantage? Very good question. Anong advantage ni Forex sa crypto? Right, si Forex kasi, let me just skip this version. Alright, I wanted to go to my face. Yan, mas simple na. Anong advantage ni Forex kaysa crypto? This is the advantage of Forex. There is something physical, something tangible that's backing Forex up. The pair up. Yan, pair yan diba? Yung currency na yan, right? And that's the country's economy. And hindi basta-basta bumabagsak yan unless magkagulo sa country na yan. That's one of the biggest reason bakit babagsak siya. But there is something backing it up. And because if you've studied economics already, may cycle yan eh. Taas, baba, taas, baba, taas, baba. Diba? There will be a time na sobrang dami na ng pera nang circulate and umaakit na yung mga presyo. So, what happens is that tumataas na yung inflation, right? The inflation rate is already up. Masyadong mataas na yung interest rates because sobrang daming pera na ng mga tao. So, once that happens, pag malaki na yung interest, pag mahal na yung mga bilihin, economy usually drops. That's what we call inflation, di ba? So, what happens is that the economists or the economic sector of the government will do things para ma-stimulate yung market again, lower the interest rates, etc. So, bababa na naman yung inflation to a point na di sa maraming pera, konti ang pera na nagsa-circulate kasi mahala na. So, if ever ibababa yung interest rates, more money goes to the public, more businesses will start again, uutang na naman, and then it stimulates the market, the economy, and economy goes up again. Diba? So, yun yung kagandahan ng Forex. Because there is a definite cycle. Napapansin nyo, si peso, laban kay USD, bumabagsak yan, 47 pesos per dollar, 46 pesos per dollar, which is pinakabababa na cycle niya. Tapos umaakit na naman si peso. Ngayon is 51 plus, di ba? 52, usually pinakamantaas. Minsan umaakit pa 54. Pero those are resistance levels already. So there's a cycle and there is something definite that's backing it up. Okay? The economy of the country. And laging may news to let you know if the economy is doing well. Interest rates, linalabas ng country yan. Let's say, yung, ano pa bang news na impact ng Forex? Like employment rates, etc. There are news that you can use to your advantage, right? So, there is a definite pattern also in Forex because of that. That's the advantage of Forex. There's something backing it up. Compared it to crypto, again, there's nothing backing it up, right? It's just the idea of it that's backing it up. Because of that, it's speculative, right? Speculative lang yung presyo niya. What do you mean by speculative ang presyo ng Bitcoin, sir? Parang isang painting. The value of a painting really is... You don't know the real value of a certain painting, di ba? Depende lang yan sa magkaka-interest. Oh, I'm very interested in this painting. Can I buy this for this blah, blah, for this amount, blah blah blah. All right. So there's no definite price, or there's nothing really backing up the price of crypto, and that makes it unpredictable. And when you are trading, yes, unpredictability can give you so much profits, but unpredictable din ang gains mo. Forex, ladies and gentlemen, pinakita ko na namin sa inyo to, even a bot can trade Forex because of the predictability of the market. And there it is. This is the result for you. 304% in 1 year. Okay? And it's just our bot trading this for us. Siyempre, minomonitor namin lagi yung bot, but this account is traded by the bot. It's not me who buy and sell the positions, right? So that's the big advantage of Forex. Mas stable, pero stability and predictability means na mas maliitan yung gains sa Forex. Pero 304% in 1 year is still very good, man. So sa crypto, the unpredictability can help you, but also is a double-edged sword. That's why I don't like to trade crypto at all. Right? That's to answer that question. I love that question right there, man. All right. Anyways, day trading po, especially in day trading, mas maganda sa Forex sa day trading. Actually, parehas lang eh. Right? When you're day trading already, if you know how to day trade, you don't really care about the fundamentals, right? What is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Pwede mo na i-short, right? So I guess that's the question really about when it comes to day trading. I would say may advantage pa rin si Forex sa day trading. Why? Because of the economic news, right? Economic news, there's that predictability also. Pag may mga oras na nag-open the market, you know what time that asset is active. And because of that, it's good to trade it, right? May mga economic news. Pag may economic news, iniiwasan namin yan. A little information about Izanagi. We call this the red folders and green folders. Red folders are, what do you call this? Bad economic news that can make the market move, add volatility of the market. So, we avoid those kinds of trades kay Izanagi. So, if ever whenever there is a red folder of that asset, hindi iti-trade ni Izanagi yan. That's the reason why Izanagi is very successful. We avoid the volatility. Kay crypto for day trading, you don't have that. You don't really have fundamental news. What you just follow is price action lang. If it's an uptrend on that day, just look for uptrend trades. So, yeah. Ems Pablo, nagtaas sir ng risk, nagtaas na ako sir ng risk sa Izanagi. Kaka-update ko lang po today. Alright, good to know, Ems Pablo. Congratulations. Let me just see if there are any comments after that. We are gonna go to our charting. Sir, question, ano pong payment sa Izanagi monthly? Ano yung payment sa monthly na Izanagi? This is from Vine Bangis. Yes. Izanagi is for free. The bot service is for free. Pero, yung computer or yung server na gagamitin natin to trade your account, yun yung may bayad. It's called the VPS, virtual private server, right? Technically, let's say for example, meron kaming bot libre, tapos bigay namin sa'yo. Siyempre, para mag-run yun, you have to run it on your computer, open it 24/7, di ba? So, when you run the bot on your computer, magbabayad ka pa ng kuryente and the usage of the laptop. So, may bayad yun, di ba? Merong upkeep yun. This time, what we're going to use is para hindi po masakit sa ulo ninyo at para ma-monitor namin, we use a VPS kung saan doon sa server na yon nagra-run yung bot mo to trade your account. Yun yung babayaran natin. The bot itself is for free. The VPS though, since wala kaming ganyan na service, we have to get one of the best services na VPS out there. And that's what you pay monthly, which is 500 pesos a month lang. Sobrang sulit niyan. Right? Parang ganun din kung mag-on yung PC nyo isang buwan, 24/7, you're still gonna pay for the kuryente. So, it's the same. Crypto, parang naka-steroid ang market, normal lang ang bagsak 50%. O nga eh. So, sobrang kapal na ng emotions niya sa bagsak-bagsakan ng crypto. Yun nga, nakita nyo, SLP ngayon, almost 50%. Mas madali mag-convince ng friends to try Izanagi kasi meron ng experience. Honestly, I'm not a trader, pero kasi maganda si Izanagi, nagiging madali ang trading. True. And pwede niyo pong sundan ang trade. Actually, yun yung ginagawa ni Jenner. Alright, we already have a video teaching you about shadow strategy kung saan we try to imitate the trades of Izanagi. You've already seen how good Izanagi's trades are. Diba? Statistics niya, 70% yung win rate. And then, chini-cherry pick pa natin yung mga best trades ni Izanagi. We already showed you guys how to cherry pick it. Jenner has been reaping the rewards of it already. Ang pogi ni Sir Lloyd, how to be you po. No, mas pogi ka pa sa akin, Shiloh. Alright, anyways, paano mag-fund sa Izanagi? You can fund to GCash, pwedeng bank transfer, online bank transfer, Visa, MasterCard, if your Visa and MasterCard allows it. Okay? Alright, so, Pocholo Santic, sir, funded yung VPS ko sa Izanagi because of a conference. If ma-funded yung XM account by tomorrow, saan po mag-update to start the trading? Don't worry, you can always ask our admins for updates. Pero meron tayong tracker kailan susunod na batch ng Izanagi mag-start. By 20 kasi per batch, right? Yung VPS, pupunuin natin ng 20 users. Kung hindi pa napuno yan, parang jeep yan. Kung hindi pa napuno ng 20 yan, antayin natin mapuno ng 20. So, I can't really say pag napuno, what I can say is pag napuno na yung batch, that's where your bot is gonna start. Whew! Alright. Let's go sa, what do you call this? Charting tayo. Alright, may mga request dito charting. If you have any questions Hopefully, I was able to answer your questions properly. Let's go. Charting tayo. Congratulations dito, holders. Take profits, ladies and gentlemen. Malapit na resistance. Congrats sa mga traders kayo dito. Alright, so the queries are, number 1, si IDC. Let's check out IDC. Isa sa mga pinaka mainit na stocks noon. Ngayon, nasa baba na. So IDC, still not showing a bottom right now, pero possible bottom to. Ladies and gentlemen, look at the RSI. Starting to show that it's stabilizing. Pag nag-green to, the downtrend line, latest downtrend lines right here. Pag nag-breakout to, if you want to be a conservative trader, let it break out from the downtrend. That's your entry point. You have RSI divergence. Good. Fine. Nakalimutan ko lang sino nag-request nito, pero I love this trade right here, man. Ang ganda ng abang na yan. Bottom pick right there. And pullback and bounce, that will be your best entry for since nakapag-bounce na yan ng malakas. PHA naman. Ito. Kahapon, sinabi ko sa inyo, if mag-green si PHA, that's your buy. This is the best case scenario na entry at 0.49, pero you can't be a chooser. 0.51 would have been good, but 0.54 is still good entry. That's a buy right there, ladies and gentlemen. And then resistance, so that's good. PHA. Sideways trade. DMCI Holdings. Resistance tayo. Bearish on signals for DMCI. Stay away from it. Just broke MA20 already. Could be wrong. Kung nag-breakout to, then that could be a good entry for DMC, pero bearish na yung signals niya. I don't like that, especially with this. Ito yung sinasabi ko with the market situation. You don't have to be aggressive dito. I don't like breakouts when the market is like this. LTG, let it break out before you get in, or if you can get in that support right there, that's the best entry point for LTG. EW, East-West, sideways trade. That's the best scenario entry. Resistance right here is the sell. So, ganda na ng volume. Mukhang mag-okay na to Pero you're in between support resistance, so pa-breakout din yun na lang. If ever bumalik sa support, then that's your opportunity to get in EW. Since medyo nakalipad na siya, nakaiwan na kayo. DMC, done with this DMC. SMPH. Right, SMPH. Ooh. Resistance na si SMPH Right, ang ganda na support This is the best entry. Right now, no. Especially nasa resistance index. Baka bumagsak yung index, mahawi kayo dyan. Right? Let me move forward sa mga comments. Alright, musta naman yung hoard ng BSC, sir? Iyak na ba ako? Musta naman yung nag-hoard ng BSC? Musta na ba si BSC? What happened to BSC? Okay, BSC. May mga red marks tayo dito. So, BSC was on a downtrend. So, may drawing tayo dito dati. So, that's a no-buy zone. Support for DMC yan. Sa BSC. Dito dapat kayo nag-hoard sa baba. Dito kayo mag-hoard sa bilog ko. Right? That support right there is a good entry. Look at that. When it hit that support right there, boom, kanina, 3.92. That's a buy right there for BSC. Dapat dan kayo nag-hoard. Huwag kayo mag-hoard sa taas. Doon sa baba kayo mag-hoard. As for Donna Bacunio. Right? Kamusta kayo dyan sa Italy, Shiloh? Nami-miss na namin kayo. Right, let me go back to let me go to Stocks Ed kasi nag-live din tayo sa Stocks Ed kasi hopefully may comments dito. Meron nga. Ruel Dio Careza, hey Sir Lloyd, pasuyo nandito. Si Dito medyo nakalipad na. Take profits na yan. Mac and Annie. Let's check out Macro Asia. Right, lipad na rin si Mac. Right, solid support dito. Ganda na support dito, man. And look at that RSI. Good signal right there for the support of MAC. Hopefully, pinasok ninyo. If ever hindi, meron din tayong downtrend dito. Up, breakout, boom, pasok. Ngayon, wala na. Nakalipad na yan. Stay away from it. Pag iniwan kayo, o hinahabulin, masasaktan lang kayo. Alright, let's go for Annie, ANI. Alright, Annie. Ganda ng volume kanina, man. So, baka mag-breakout to. Let it break out before you wanna get in for Annie. Okay? So, breakout lang kay Annie. What is Izanagi? This is from Chanchi. Alright, if you don't know what Izanagi is just yet, here's a video about Izanagi. Let me get the link. And here's Izanagi.
So Izanagi is automated bot trading, right? So if you're already familiar with EAs or bot trading, it's a program that will trade your account automatically. We just set the parameters. Ano yung buy signals, ano yung sell signals, what it is looking for in forex, and it will trade your account automatically. So technically, the gains is passive income. Performance ng Izanagi, just to let you know, update tayo. Izanagi, right here, reset zoom. Izanagi is already 304% since inception last year, right? Everything that you're seeing right here is verified records. So this is public. We keep it public para makita niyo yung performance ng Izanagi. 300% na ang gains niya in just 1 year. Too good to be true na nga pakinggan niya, di ba? What we're expecting for Izanagi is really around 5% monthly, but it exceeded our expectations. So it reached 304%. So sobrang crazy. So yeah, that's Izanagi. Everything, all the gains that you're seeing here is passive, meaning wala akong ginawa. We didn't do anything right here. It's the bot that's trading this, and this is its performance. If you want to check it out, check out the video about Izanagi to learn more about it. Registration is in the video description. Right. Any thoughts for ASEN? This is from Tommy Escobedo. Let's check out ASEN. ASEN. Right, ASEN. Oh, downtrend pa rin sa ASEN hanggang ngayon. Can't say right now, man. Overall, it's still on a downtrend. I told you before, this is overpriced for me already. So, kung mag-breakout lang sa kanyo pasukin. If not, then there's a downtrend right there na after. So, that was a descending triangle, and there's a high chance that it is gonna drop. And there it is. That's the arrow right there. We talked about this before. Still on a downtrend. If it breaks from that downtrend, that's gonna be your buy entry for ASN. At least nakapag-pullback na. Hindi nyo hinabal sa taas. Roy Gonzalez, Ani, we're done with that. Let me just check all the comments for our inception live here last year. Stock said. Good evening, Ruel, Jocareza. Good evening, Alquiso. Alan Gallardo, sir, good evening. Ano po long-term stocks nyo sa US? Long-term stocks ko sa US is Tesla. I've been into Tesla, Google, and Microsoft. Those are my top 3 best. Tsaka, let's add Apple there. International markets giving us good opportunities na. So, baka magkaroon na ng positions doon. Mike Eugenio, good evening. Jinky Kaseka, thank you for sharing this. Your friends still learning. Good evening, Sir Lloyd and Partida. Alright. Tapos na dyan. Alright, so we're done with the comments here. So, Stocks Ed, let's go back to Facebook. We're done with MBT, and Jeff Benitez is asking about Metro Bank. Let's check out MBT. Right, Metro Bank. Ooh, sarap. Ooh. Jeez, beautiful entries right here. So we have circles right here. That is when I called for a buy for MBT. So here, that's a buy right there. Breakout, that's a buy right there. Right now, we're seeing bearish signals for MBT. That's a no-buy zone, ladies and gentlemen. Stay away from it. Okay, take profits levels na yan. Sir, meron ba new partnership opportunities pa? Yes, in the future. I'll share it with you guys here in live. We are working on an NFT kung saan we are going to share Izanagi and Shadow Technique to the public. You can be part of the ownership there through NFT. So whatever Izanagi earns, you're gonna be part of it. Whatever Shadow Strategy na service namin earns, you're gonna be part of it. Plus, the rest of the funds, gamitin namin kasi yan for the marketing, etc. You know that we don't have any marketing kay Izanagi. We don't have any marketing, massive marketing for Shadow Strategy even. Why? Because these bots are for free. If may bayad yan, then we can have a budget to really market it, but we really wanted it to be free for you guys. So we're not able to really market it. Through live lang natin, this is technically our marketing, and with your help, that's our marketing, right? Because Izanagi is for free. Through NFT, we will be able to get the funding for marketing Izanagi. Then that will increase our profits there. And then the rest of the money na hindi naman pwede yung marketing, lahat lang yon. The rest of the makukuha namin for the NFT sale is we are going to be using that to trade. Okay? Palalaki namin yan, and then part of the earnings will be going to the NFT holders. Technically, pooled fund na managers na kami. And we've been public with our performance through Izanagi and the shadow strategy. So, yeah, it is coming in the future. So, abangan nyo lang. Boss, amo unsay status sa imong itoro? Nako, napabayaan ko na yung itoro ko. Ever since we started studying sa Forex and the bot, when we started focusing on it, di ko na na-open yung itoro ko. I even pulled out the funds. Tiniran ko na lang yung mga losing trades, hoping that it will go up in the future. But I haven't been trading itoro anymore kasi nakafocus kami dito na sa Forex with the bot trading. Why? Because bot trading is automated. Wala na kaming gagawin. And it's giving us so much returns. SPNEC, basta abangan nyo lang yung NFT namin, right? We are still in the process of making the system. But plano sana namin is to launch it on this February, pero we got delayed a lot because of Typhoon Odette. Natamaan kami dito ni John badly sa Cebu on the typhoon. So it was 1 month of no electricity, no internet. It was hard for us to move. So yeah. Anyways, SPNEC, may request dito. Basta mag-a-announce kami about that. Now that we have already announced what do you call this? Shadow Strat. Then yun yung next namin. Next action plan namin is the NFT na. So abangan niyo lang po. Hopefully you will support us. Don't worry. Hindi lang support yan na support. Babalik po namin yung pera sa inyo. Sobra. SPNEC, lower highs, that's, I would say the trend is already finished. That's a no-buy zone anyway. So, stay away from it. Alright? Congratulations sa mga kumuha kay SPNEC during the IPO. But right now, it's not time to get in SPNEC. Buy low, sell high. Wag sa buy high. It does sell low. Right? Stay away from it. It's too high already. Sell signals na yan. MBT, nabasa na natin to. Everything's good to go. Now po, so from Lelech, Ju, and M-Wide. So, tingnan natin si Now Corporation. Excuse me. Now Corp, mukhang nag-bottom out na si Now. Okay na to. Pullback, it's doing a pullback right now. Let's see saan siya magbabounce. If it gives us a support bounce, that's a good entry for now. M-Wide. Pero short-term trades lang yan. Huwag nyo ito-trade for long-term. Ganda. That's an engulfing pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Pull back and bounce for M-Wide. That's going to be your entry point. That's a good bounce for M-Wide right there. So, yeah, this is looking good for M-Wide. Pull back and bounce will be a best entry. You don't have to be aggressive with the entry points right now since market is in the resistance levels. So, pull back bounce for this one. Tingnan ko nga si OR kasi may bulong kay OR. Maganda ba yung position niya to get in? OR resistance, breakout for OR. If ever, abangan nyo to kung baka mag-breakout. So, breakout entry for OR. Time check, it's 8:49. Let me just double check na nabasa natin na sabi ni Jepay Handayan. Right? Siyempre. Meron pa pala from Ian Cesar, CNPF. Hindi ko nabasa to CNPF, let's check it out. Let me put this in. But mukhang humina na naman internet ko. Pasensya na. So, I'll try my best. Anyways, we're already ending. CNPF. Yeah, paputol-putol na naman internet ko. CNPF. Right. CNPF, Okay. Tingnan natin. Mukhang malakas yung downturn niya. Let's see if ever it will respect the support and then go sideways trend. Trade for that one. Cut loss below this if you want to trade this one. Only for short term at this point for CNPF. CPG. Let's check out CP. Alright, Century. Ooh, ito ang ganda. Breakout with volume. That's a good entry. Hopefully napasok nyo. Bumalik pa ng support. Tapos lumipad na. Kind of too late already to enter this one. Let it pull back bounce. Tignan natin sa MA20. But man, daming opportunity to enter this one. Oh, sayang naman. Jeppy, Chantayan, BDO. One of my favorite long-term stocks. Kaso nga lang nakalipad na si BDO. So, with the index going for... yun na mag-load ng chart ko. Right. Nawala na internet ko. My internet's dead. So I'm just gonna be wrapping up. My internet is dead. So I'm just gonna be wrapping up, right? So sa BDO, yun, meron tayong buy signal dito on the breakout. I told you guys pag nag-breakout. But yeah, BDO, hindi, support BDO, short-term, that's a good short-term trade. Pull downs, that just created a support right there. So that's your support, cut loss below that. Short-term trade for BDO. I'm not a fan of it, but yeah. Technical analysis-wise, breakout trade for that one. Alright, so yeah, internet is already killing me right now. Remember lang, guys, don't forget about Izanagi. It is for free. Nakita nyo naman yung performance. No, to learn more about it, andyan sa video description, there is a link there for our Izanagi video so that you will know more about it. Then also, if you already understand it, registration link is also up in the video description. Click on it and then your instructions on what to do so that you can join Izanagi, create an account in XM, and then after that, fund your account. And then after funding your account is register. May registration done for the bot itself na. So, yeah. That's it for me this evening. Sorry, the internet is